from my YouTube channel name, Cyberwheels. Welcome to another journey into the world of futuristic car concepts and the AI-generated automotive beasts. Today, we step into 2025 with a car that is unlike anything you have ever seen before. This isn't just a car, it's a nightmare come alive, a beast on wheels. A machine that merges horror and technology in the most unforgettable way possible. This is the Spider-style car 2025, a design so terrifying, so bold, and so futuristic that it's guaranteed to leave you shocked, amazed, and maybe even a little bit scared. Asterisk now. Let me paint the picture for you. Imagine entering a horror cave, misty, and filled with the sound of crawling spiders on the stone walls. Your flashlight flickers, and suddenly, you see two glowing red eyes staring back at you. You think it's a creature, a predator, something alive. But no, it's the Spider-style car, waiting in silence, its beastly form blending into the shadows. This car doesn't just look futuristic, it looks alive. And that's where the magic of 2025 design meets the art of fear. Asterisk, let's start with the front view. The Spider-style car greets you with an aggressive stance. Headlights designed like spider eyes glowing in fiery red. Sharp fangs built into the grille, and a plate that boldly reads America. The detail is monstrous lines running across the hood like spider webs, cracks glowing with energy as if the car itself is pulsating with life. This is not the kind of car that whispers elegance. This is the kind that screams power and fear. If cars were creatures, this would be the alpha predator. Asterisk, moving to the left side view. The true artistry becomes even clearer. The Spider-style car doesn't rely on soft, smooth curves. Instead, it uses sharp angles, metallic spider leg-inspired extensions, and glowing accents that stretch across the body like veins of a living beast. Every detail makes the car feel muscular and alive. You don't see just a machine. You see a predator crouching, ready to attack. The atmosphere of the horror cave around it adds to the effect, with webs covering the rocky walls, spiders crawling in the shadows, and the dim glow of red mist giving the car an aura of dread. Asterisk now. Shifting to the right side view, the dominance of this design truly comes to life. The stance feels even more aggressive, the glowing details sharper, and the spider leg patterns more pronounced. From this angle, the car looks like it's moving even when it's standing still, like a creature preparing to leap. The reflections of light bouncing off the metallic web-like body make it look surreal, futuristic, and frighteningly real. This is what makes the Spider-style car different from other futuristic concepts. It doesn't just look advanced, it looks alive, dangerous, and impossible to ignore. Asterisk at the back. The Spider-style car transforms into something even more terrifying. The taillights glow like the many eyes of a spider, spread wide across the rear in a menacing pattern. The exhaust pipes resemble sharp fangs, as if the car is breathing fire. The backplate still reads America, glowing in eerie light, marking its identity like a predator marking its territory. From the rear, the car doesn't look like it's leaving it. Looks like it's still chasing you, no matter how far you try to run. It's the kind of design that makes people turn their heads and never forget what they saw. Asterisk, but the most shocking, the most breathtaking part of this entire design is the interior. Step inside and you're no longer in a car, you're inside the body of a spider beast. The dashboard glows with web-like neon patterns, pulsing as though energy is flowing through the veins of the creature. The steering wheel isn't just a circle, it's shaped like fangs, wrapping around your hands, making you feel like you're holding on to something alive. The seats resemble armored spider shells, designed to make you feel protected but also trapped inside the belly of the beast. And everywhere you look, on the doors, on the panels, even on the ceiling, there are glowing strands of webs. A constant reminder that this isn't just a car, it's a monster you're driving. Through the windshield, you can still see the horror cave, with giant spiders crawling in the distance, mist creeping in, and the eerie glow of webs all around. The atmosphere inside is so immersive it feels like you're not driving at all, you're part of the beast itself. Asterisk. So, what does this car mean for 2025? It's more than just a design experiment. It's a bold statement about the future of car creativity. For years, car designs focused on elegance, luxury, and speed. But now, with the rise of AI-generated concepts and futuristic imagination, designers are pushing into new territory. The Spider-style car represents the future of emotional design cars that don't just move people physically but grab them emotionally, mentally, and even psychologically. This car is designed to scare you, to shock you, to stick in your memory, like a nightmare you can't forget. And that is powerful. Asterisk, let's take a moment to think about the psychology of cars like this. Most concept cars are built to inspire AHO, to look sleek and beautiful. But what happens when you flip that idea upside down and create a car that terrifies people instead? That's where virality comes in. People share it. People talk about it. People can't stop reacting to it. And in the digital world of 2025, attention is everything. The Spider-style car is built to go viral because it breaks all the rules. Not safe, it's not elegant, it's not predictable. It's bold, it's scary, and it's unforgettable. Asterisk now. Imagine driving this car through a city at night. The glowing spider eyes illuminating the streets, the metallic legs catching the reflections of neon lights, and the monstrous roar echoing in the dark. People wouldn't just watch, they would stop, record, and post instantly. That's the power of this design. It's not just transportation. It's a performance, a statement, and a spectacle. Asterisk, but beyond the looks. Let's think about what kind of future technology could power something like this. With 2025 bringing rapid advancements in AI, electric engines, and immersive design, the Spider-style car could be imagined as an electric beast with advanced sound design to make it roar like a monster. The lighting systems could be adaptive, glowing brighter or dimmer, depending on the environment, making it look even more alive. The interior systems could use holographic displays designed to feel like spider eyes watching your every move. It's not just design, it's about creating an experience that feels like stepping into another world. Asterisk, and that's what sets this car apart. It's not just a futuristic vehicle, it's a world, a story, an entire horror fantasy brought to life. Through automotive design, it makes you feel something that very few cars in history can. Fear and fascination at the same time. And that duality, that mix of horror and excitement, is what makes the Spider-style car 2025 one of the most interesting and viral concepts of this year. Asterisk, so as we reach the end of this review, let's summarize. The Spider-style car 2025 is a monster on wheels, a futuristic beast designed to dominate every angle, front, side, back, and interior. It's a car that doesn't just drive. It stalks, it hunts, and it lives. It's a vision of what cars can become when imagination is allowed to break free, when design dares to scare, and when technology meets creativity in the boldest way possible. Asterisk, thank you for joining me today on Cyberwheels, where we bring you the most insane futuristic car concepts, AI-generated designs, and viral creations that capture the imagination of millions. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Spider-style car 2025, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment about what you think of this terrifying beast. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cyberwheels, where you'll discover more futuristic car reviews, monster machine concepts, and AI-driven designs that will keep you amazed. Subscribe my channel, Cyberwheels, asterisk,